Okay, today I have a Europe cylinder. It's Titan. This company is from Slovenia and it's currently owned by Dom. This is their standard lock. It's a K lock, K3030 Ni. With a screw, 2 keys. I took out the tail piece, and it's a 5-pinner. I'll show you later. On their side, they're saying that there's no bumping feature implemented, and there's no protection against drilling in the case or on the core. And they're saying that there is a special shaped pins, so there is a security pins in there. At the end, on the package, there is a nice explanation how to choose a profile cylinder, how to install it, and there is an interesting thing here. It's a lubricate the cylinder with WD-40 at least 2 times per year. That's an interesting thing. Nobody's doing that, and as far as I know, in my experience, so it's good for them to put it there. So let me open it up. Here's the cylinder. There is nice Titan in there, engraved, 5-cylinder, and here's the key. It's pretty nice beading, in my opinion. Deep, and too short, too long, too short. 3 short pins, so it's working very smoothly, like a butter. So yeah, it's pretty nice lock. So let me get it. Let me put it in the vise and start picking it. I'm fairly familiar with this lock, so I'll think I'll open it in decent time. So in general, because of the spools, if I sometimes found some false set and I cannot, I need to reset the lock, because when I'm in that full set, when I try to set the spool, I'm always dropping everything. So there is a good tolerance for the pins and the chambers. So in my opinion, it's a pretty decent lock, and they're saying that this is their standard and beginner lock for the home users. So let's start picking. First is binding, so little click. Second is binding. Third, I think I set it. Fourth one, and the 5th one, little click. So let me check the other pins. So first nothing, and I drops everything. Come on, again. First click, second click, third one click, fourth nothing, 5th one click. Let me check it. First nothing, second nothing, third nothing, fourth nothing, come on, 5th one, a little click. Yes, we're open. I did not fail in that full set. So yeah, let me because I'm still waiting for my Euro set, disassembly set, and the finisher. I will do it my way. again with a bobby pin and some clip. So let me put it like this all the way through and clamp it, and so the bobby pin will not move. So that's set. I need to get the clip. The clip is not moving. So it's giving me a hard time, of course, as always. So here's that clip. Let me put it back together. And I think I'm good to go. Oh shit, something is not right. So let me put pressure and get out the core. And I need to haul forward. Come on, forward. So yeah, I'm good to go now. So here's the key. Here's the pins in working order. So let's dump them. 3, 4, 5. Let me rearrange it. And nothing special with the core. It's a stock core, so 5-pin core. So that's the usual stuff. And now let's dump the pins. I will do it, yeah, because it's a little bit tricky. I'll try to do it from the back. I'm not trying to get the whole. I'm going only go to disassemble the one side. So the 5th pin, come on, it's standard, a long one. All springs are the same. The second one is a spool, very nice spool. Come on, spool. Here it is. The 3rd one is standard. So 5th, 4th, 3rd. The second one is spool. Come on, spool. The same commercial spool. Very nice. And the last one, it's again standard. So all the springs are the same. So for this standard K Titan lock, there is always security pins on chamber number 2 and 4. So that's their procedure. It's always two pins. Nothing special in the chambers. so everything is stuck. And because they always put the security pins in 1, in 2 and 4, sometimes they're not usable, but in this case they are, and that's why I was saying, when I'm in that faucet, when I'm trying to pick them, yeah, it's a pretty tricky thing. When I set them, everything else drop. So yeah, that's the Eurocylinder Titan K lock. Pick and got it. So have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.